Today we're taking a look at 3 different welding rods. They're all E6013, so they're good for 60,000 PSI. They're all good for welding in all directions, and the 3 just means the coating type. They're all 1/8 inch rods. The only difference is this is Forney, Hobart, and then this is Golden Bridge. So you can see there's a difference in the colors. Colors don't really matter, but they might tell you at least what the manufacturer is. We can see that they are all labeled. So the Forney is actually labeled Forney. This is the Hobart, and then this is the Golden Bridge. Thicknesses are all about the same. I would say maybe the Hobart is a little bit thinner. This is the Forney, and we are looking at about 0.1935. Fairly consistent. The Hobart is a little bit thinner. And then for the gold, that's interesting. That's actually the thickest one. Okay. So the only one that really felt a little bit different there was the Golden Bridge, just because I was noticing the pool had a lot more black in it, which I think means contaminants, but I'm not 100% sure. But we'll just see if the welds themselves look good. Here's the Forney, here's the Hobart, and here's the Golden Bridge. That's interesting. So here's the Forney. This is the one that I'm most accustomed to. You can see it looks pretty good, I think. Here's the Hobart. You can see it kind of sunk in there in the middle a little bit, which might be because of the rod, but probably has a lot more to do with it to me. It's worth keeping in mind that the welding machine was set to the exact same settings with every single rod. And then this is the Golden Bridge. And this one looks the least like a weld, really, to me. It looks a lot smoother and flatter. So I'm going to flip these, and I'm going to try one more bead. I'm going to see if I get the same results. So I'm noticing with these, I think, a big part of it is just that I'm used to the Forney. That's what I use most commonly. But the Forney just does what I want it to do. With the Hobart, I think what's happening with that is it's actually just putting a lot more heat into the metal. So that's why it's sunken in, is because I just have the amps too hot for this rod. And then this stuff, if I play this back, you'll probably see the smoke coming off of this one. This one just seems to have a heck of a lot of fumes. So here's the Forney again. Here's the Hobart. You can see how it just started eating away at that metal. So I'll bet if I just turn the amps down, they'll probably run a lot better. And then here's the Golden Bridge. And the biggest thing about this one just is that black material that kind of you can see building up in the pool. And then there's like a lot of smoke. I can really smell this one. So I don't know that I would run this one too much. The fact of the matter is, I still prefer the Forney, but I'd be able to weld with any of this. This can all hold metal together.